I reached out to a couple different companies, but really the people that got back to me the quickest and the people that, very personable and being able to answer my questions right away were Cardinal. I first heard of it as Cardinal Heating and Cooling, and so I was like, oh, they only do HVAC stuff, but it's like, no, they do electrical, do plumbing, do all of it. And so for me, it's the sort of the one-stop shop. So all the HVAC in the basement, all the plumbing in the basement. From the tub, I have a full bathroom install, so it was a tub, and all the electrical, which was a ton. There was a ton. I forget how many. Andy, one of the lead electricians at Cardinal, him and I, we had a good banter back and forth. But yeah, he ran a ton of line in here. The end result turned out great. Very happy with my basement redone, the way it got done. My last project that I finished was putting in the back bar counter and the cabinets, and it was probably a year later. So I just recently got that done, and I hadn't talked to Tim in, 7 months. Texted him, yep, hey Jorge, yep, you let me know what day is, we'll get it scheduled and we'll have it, we got you. We know that was part of the initial contract that we signed with you, and came out, took care of it, and it wasn't like I was forgotten. They're very responsive, professional, and the end product looks amazing. And so that's why I would recommend Cardinal Heating.